listen closely. Do you hear that? Tap, tap, tap.
Raindrops are waking up in the sky. I'm ready. Let's go.
Down they float, slow, soft, shiny. Tap on the leaves, tap on the roof, tap on your tiny toes.
Can you wiggle your fingers like raindrops? Come on, try. Tap, tap, tap.
The flowers drink the rain. The trees stretch tall. And the puddles say, "Jump in me." Splash! Splash! SPLash!
Now the rain is slowing. Soft, softer, sleepy.
A rainbow! It's so pretty.
The clouds whisper, "Good job, little drops." And the sun peeks out. Hello?
Bye-bye, rain. See you again.